So let's have some comment and explanation. One of our most watched videos. We were working on a graveyard and there was a warehouse, and beside it there was quite a big pine which we were going to fell into the lake. I'm using 28 bar in my Stihl MS500, so the bar is about 70 centimeters, so I think the pine is about 60 centimeters wide. Some aiming, then I took the sides away. I take the sides away because I can see exactly the bottom of the notch. A traditional notch, nothing special, that kind of we use in Scandinavia, in Finland. Then the back cut and the wedges. I usually use the wedges only for ensure the felling. The felling power itself is coming from a tree jack or from a tackle, and the wedges are only the second backup to make sure it won't go backwards. Now the cuttings are fine, then some kicks to the wedges. I'm using my Fiskars. Some hit to the wheelbarrow, small scale accident. The problem in this pine was that the branches were sticking on the branches of the pine on the left, so it won't go. A small pull from the tackle, no, it doesn't go. Then I have to tighten the tackle, give some extra power for it. It's coming, but really slowly. And all the time people are wandering on the back side of the tree. It won't go. Now I'm using a technique I call a belly technique. So I'm going to make the hinge narrower from both sides so that the trunk can circle around from the middle part of the hinge. A little more, and now I think it's going. So there is different kind of techniques to take the Widowmaker down. This is one of those techniques, and work safely.